Hi, I'm Joe from the Market Logic team, and I'd like to take a few minutes to introduce our API offering for DeepSights, our Gen AI assistant. The API gives customers the ability to integrate DeepSights output into other platforms and tools, letting you infuse DeepSights output throughout your organization's applications. And it does this with an API that your technical teams can easily integrate or build applications around. Let's take a look at the in-platform DeepSights offering, which provides generative answers to business questions based on our customers' set of documents and proprietary market research. And this is also available in MS Teams, Google Chat and Slack, and now via the API offering. We're seeing customers explore a variety of use cases with the API, and that includes things like pushing DeepSights answers into in-house Gen AI concept and idea generators, integrations with internal search environments, and then more and more of our customers are starting to connect DeepSights to platforms like Microsoft Copilot or ChatGPT for Enterprise, so Enterprise GPT offerings. So let's take a look at an example of a ChatGPT offering that we've integrated with DeepSights. And this GPT understands when a market research question is being asked in the environment and delegates that out to DeepSights via the API. So let's ask it what we know about Gen Z. So ChatGPT assesses that question, understands that this belongs to the DeepSights sort of preview, and then asks if we'd like to go out there. DeepSights is now pinged and undertakes its process, which is to scan our customers' proprietary knowledge for information and evidence relative to the question, checking it for a sufficient threshold of relevance, and then assembling a generative answer to that business question. And as you can see, this is now coming back into the ChatGPT environment. And as it sits in this ChatGPT environment at this point, users would be free to use all of the features and aspects of ChatGPT. So something like summarize this in one sentence would, of course, just be incorporated into the ChatGPT capabilities. So that's just one example of what our API can do out of the box. The DeepSights API provides an easy way to feed high-value customer and market insights into your existing tools and processes. It's scalable and secure, and it's highly customizable. So that was just one example that we showed you, but as said, there's many others that can be built on top of the API. It's simple to use. We provide clear documentation and a Python Git, and encourage you to reach out if this is something of interest.